Hello guys, today in this video we will review Tenorshare, or you can say Tenorshare. So is this platform legit? You should go with this platform or not? And what are the major issues? So let's get started. So first of all, without wasting your time, I want to tell you this brand have two domains like tenorshare.com and tenorshare.net. Both domains is approx like 14 years from now. It means the platform is available on internet from last 14 years, and they have like good reputation in the market. You can say like they have provided like they have provided some numbers, and they have like different you can say like numbers like download worldwide and video views and all. So they have provided lots of information on their you can say like website. Okay, so this is a 100% legit platform, but there is only one issue, that is like you can say the subscription model. Okay, they have a subscription model like I have done a video, you can see over here, like how to cancel Tenorshare subscription, and they have like lots of comments, like you can say over here, like the product is working. They have mentioned like the product is really worth it, but they have like subscription model, so you have to pay some kind of fees while you are going to you can say like use their services. They will you can say like charge you some kind of subscription fee. So this is the only problem. Okay, and rest each and everything is looking very good. You can use it and you can get the benefits of their you can say like this product. Like it will also help in iPhone data recovery, Android data recovery, Windows data recovery, and there are lots of benefits. So you can make a purchase, okay, of any software like PC and Mac solutions. They have like different kinds of solutions available, so you can use any you can select software. They have like good reputation in the market, but if you are going to use, please try to avoid their subscription model. Otherwise you have to you can say like you have to make efforts for cancellation and all. So this is the only you can say like problem like subscription. And you can also avoid your subscription model very easily. There is a no issue. You have to keep something in your mind while using their products and all. So this is looking like a legit and good one platform. You can try it. I will provide you a link. You can go over there, you can check out, and you can use their software as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.